let's talk about date of death appraisal and why does it matter? When is a date of death appraisal needed?
Yeah. Well, first of all, the federal government requires you to determine the value of your estate. And usually one of the larger components of that is your real estate. So the date of the death appraisal will help you determine the value of the estate and help determine if there's going to be any estate taxes due, what the tax basis is going to be for the inheritors, and help the inheritors divide that real estate up as well. The date of death is usually a retrospective appraisal. It determines the fair market value as of the specific date, and it's relied on by the attorneys, the accountants, and the executor. So it's really important when you're hiring an appraiser that they have experience in these areas so they can deliver an appraisal that's going to be professional and supported. The IRS has defined standards, and the best way to make sure that you're hiring someone who meets all these standards is by hiring a designated appraiser. Now, the SRA is the highest designation that a residential real estate appraiser can have.
So when you say it's a date of death, it's kind of like a snap in time. So it's basically it's a legal term, or it's a legal date that the value of the property is on a very, like you said, a very specific date, because things might take 6 months to go through probate or go through whatever it needs to go through. It's not based upon the time that the
That's right, because according to the law, the date of the death is when that property passes on to those people that are the beneficiaries. And that's why that value has to be back as that retrospective date.
So as an appraiser, so do you get people to do date of death, and you're actually backdating, what a house was worth? Say, for example, if you get an appraisal for date of death, you have to go back 2 months. You're literally, as an appraiser, you're literally saying, okay, if I were appraising this house 60 days ago, how much was this worth? Is that what you have to do?
Exactly. Yeah, we can't consider anything that happened past that 60 days. So our firm has experience working with family law firms and accountants in the area. So if anybody has any questions at all, they can feel free to reach out and ask. Hi, this is Diana Benson with Benson Appraisals. Thanks for watching our video. If you'd like more information on getting an appraisal or on the general market, please feel free to reach out to us. Our number is 480-926-8528.